Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word surmise, its meaning, definition and the example. Surmise. The definition of surmise is: suppose that something is true without having evidence to confirm it. The synonyms of surmise are opinion, assume, conclusion, attempt. Now let me show the example of surmise. Word in sentences are: would he surmise you're as limited by the dark as the rest of us earthlings? I can only surmise that these people do not get out very often. Study people's faces and gaits and surmise about their lives. An alternative to staying at home, I surmise, was to vote for the pensioners. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.